Hello everyone. Today we are going to read Fun with Magnets, and in this part we are going to read about magnetic and non-magnetic materials, types of magnet, poles of magnet, and how can we find direction with the help of a magnet. So first of all, let's know what is a magnet. So a magnet is an object that has the capacity to attract certain metals such as iron, nickel and cobalt. Okay, so next is magnetic materials. So some materials are there which are attracted by magnets, that are called magnetic materials. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel. And some materials are there which do not get attracted by the magnets and are called non-magnetic materials, such as wood, plastic, etc. Okay. Next is types of magnet. So there are different kinds of magnet, like natural magnet. What are natural magnets? Natural magnets are the magnets which are found naturally. Okay, for example, lodestone or the magnetite is a natural magnet. Next is man-made. So the magnets which are made by human beings are known as artificial or man-made magnets. On the basis of retention of magnetism, magnets can be classified as temporary magnet and permanent magnets. So temporary magnets are usually made of soft iron. They can retain their magnetism only for a short duration, and they lose their magnetism after the magnetizing force is removed. Whereas permanent magnets are made of steel, cobalt, nickel or alnico, and are able to keep their magnetism for a long time even when the magnetizing force is removed. Okay. So here, what is the need to make the artificial magnets? Actually, the artificial magnets can be made very powerful and can be made in any desired shape or size, which is not possible in the case of natural magnets, and that is why we or there is a need to make the artificial magnets. Okay, now let's read the poles of a magnet. Poles are those regions where the attractive power of a magnet exists, or these are the regions where the magnetic force is maximum. Every magnet has two magnetic poles, one is north pole, another one is south pole, and if a bar magnet suspended with a silk thread such that it swings freely in a horizontal plane comes to rest pointing roughly north and south direction. The end of the magnet, which roughly points towards the geographical north, is termed as north pole, whereas the end which roughly points towards the geographical south is called the south pole. Okay. Next is finding direction, and to find the direction we use a magnetic compass. Okay, as you can see here, in this is the figure, or you can see the image of a magnetic compass. A compass is a device used for determining direction by means of a magnetic needle. Okay, this needle is the magnetic one. Okay, the magnetic needle of a compass always points towards the north south direction due to the pull of the earth's magnetic poles. The Chinese were the first to develop a compass about 800 years ago, and the compass had a piece of lodestone, which is the natural magnet, hanging from a string. The ends of the stone were pointed to the north and south direction. Okay, a compass has markings that shows the four main direction: north, east, south and west. Okay, and it also shows some intermediate direction like northeast, northwest, here the southeast and southwest. Okay, hope you understood this video. Thank you.